Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dibjyoti. In my last video, I showed you that I was doing a course on Internshala about graphic designing. So today in this video, I'm gonna talk about the pros and cons of this program, how my final exams went and whether I got the certificate or not. So this will be a complete overview of the Internshala's training program. By the way, this video is based on my personal experience so that you can decide yourself whether you should enroll in this course or not. So let's get started. Now I'll move to my computer screen. Alright, now here are we in the Intershala's training website. You can see the various courses that are available, from programming like Python, web development, ethical hacking, programming with C and C++, Android app development, Java and many more. You can see them. Now if you are into business and management, there are courses like digital marketing, advanced Excel, financial modeling, then business communication, how to start up. So if you are interested into entrepreneurship, then this will be a very good course for you. Also there are engineering courses like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, then StatPro, Fusion 360 and many more. Then there is data science like machine learning, data, Tableau, deep learning. If you are into statistics, then this will be a very good course for you again. Now I chose this graphic designing course. There are other courses like UI designing, video editing, animation, WordPress, digital art and many more. So let's go to this graphic designing course. This is the graphic designing course. Now I got this course for around rupees 1349. So in this course, here are the highlights. So there are like total 45 video tutorials. You will get 6 weeks access, doubt clearing, then you can download them, beginner friendly and placement assistance. Now I'll go over each one of them one by one. Now this is the training syllabus. You will be learning about the fundamentals of graphic designing, Photoshops, about interface and tools, workflow and photo collection, effects and techniques in Photoshop, and last the beauty techniques in Photoshop. Alright, now let's go to the trainings. So here it is, the progress report of mine. So these are the modules available like fundamentals of graphic designing. So after watching the videos, there is going to be a test or assignment which you have to do, and in that assignment I scored 90%, then 100%, then 50, 55, 60, and in my final score I scored around 88%. And for the certificate you need to get at least 33% marks. By the way, if you get more than 90%, then you will get a star in your resume showing that you have worked really hard, and it will catch many employees so that you can get better internships. Now the videos that are available, you can download them. So if you click on this, say it's gonna download in a zip format. I'll just cancel them. By the way, this course is very beginner friendly, so if you are new to this, don't be afraid to enroll, because you will get to learn many more things and it is very easily understandable. But the difficulty that I faced was the Photoshop version the instructor was using. I think he was using around 2014 Photoshop, but the current one is like 2021. So there were few options that were not available, and it was a very hassle to search the things around. Now here the duration of the course is saying 6 weeks, but you can completely do this course under lesser time. If you can watch the module videos like 2 to 3 videos per day, I can guarantee you that you can completely do this course under 2 weeks time. Here it is showing that training access ends on July 27 with 21 days still left. So you can watch these videos at a higher playback speed like 1.5x, and the video duration is around 10 to 15 minutes and few videos are over 25 minutes. Now let's say you are watching the videos of the module fundamentals of graphic design. Now before you can proceed to the next module, you have to give the assignment and the test. Now here I like to give you a few tips. Now whenever an instructor is teaching something or saying very important things, chances are that thing will gonna be asked in that assignment or test. So it's better that you can jot down that point or in a diary, so you can remember those things, or you can refer whenever you are giving that test. So let's go to my final test and see what we are being asked. So let's just go to training, and here it is, my final test result. So total questions that were asked around 25. Out of them I gave 22 correct answers, and the marks that came is 35 out of 40, and the score that stood was 88%. Now here are all the questions you can see, and the questions are a bit tricky, so that to confuse you, let's say, so here was this: match the following. So these two were correct, but these two were wrong. The clone stamp tool should come down and the spatula should come up. See, the questions that are asked is like very confusing, so you have to be very careful while attempting. So after completing this course, then there was this placement assistance. Here in the placement assistant, at the free placement preparation training, so I got this. So to access it, you need to go to the dashboard. Then here it is, the internship and job preparation. This will get for free, and it will start around July 28, and these are the things here. So overall it was a very good and nice course. I got to learn many things like skin retouching and many more. So if you are a very beginner, then I do suggest that you join this course, but if you are on a budget, then do look out for other websites like Udemy or Coursera, which provide the same course at a much cheaper rate. Now in conclusion, I would like to say that the course was very well made. The instructor was very knowledgeable, and he was very insightful, giving you tips and tricks whenever you are applying a particular effect on an image. And if you get stuck, then there is option to ask the teacher, and you will get reply like within 1 or 2 days. So overall it was good. Now whether you should take this course or not, let's say this course I bought it for around 1349, but there are cheaper alternatives available elsewhere. Let's see. So if you go to Udemy and search for this Photoshop course, let's say Photoshop, and let's see. See, Photoshop training is available with various teachers at around 490 rupees. Now this sale something is going around, but you can get cheaper courses elsewhere, so do look out for them. Don't worry, you will get the certificate here also. Just like, see, you can download these videos for future reference also. See, here are 65 downloadable resources, and total amount is 11 hours on demand video. There are assignments and certificate of completion. So do check out the other websites that are offering the same course, so that you can save your money and time also. And finally, here is my certificate. So that was a small overview of the Intershala's training program. If you have any doubts, then do comment. I'll be happy to answer them. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye bye.